Bad on me, no videos today. I was really off, but that's because we were trying to move along. So it's Tuesday. Made good progress. Waterfall stream is underway. Lots of plants got in. We got some beautiful hollies back here that are in. We've got a whole bunch of other plants are in. Stuff out front, looking down the side, is in. Sorted. Tomorrow we will have this buttoned up. We will have a good portion of some of the additional plants in and probably place our lights. I'm not going to wire them everything because we need the sprinkler guy in here. We need the mason in here. And thinking about it, they ain't going to love us because this is their access point, and it's all rocks. But hey, no videos. First thing in the morning, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get video. Let me get one going. And the guys were working on cleaning up grass and getting stuff moved around. And I got up there and helped them a bit with stuff. I'm falling asleep because it's Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. So, hope you're enjoying everything. Doing the mason's work. Mike and I broke the concrete up. He is working on moving it up front because they're not going to be back, and I want to plant. I want to get done. Got the sprinkler guy here looking at it. Ricardo's digging out a deep hole to bury the mason in. John's using some dirt to get this spill and stream finished up here. I am gonna go in the back here. I got to do some foaming, but they just got their plants, so I've got to get the plants in, and their fish came today, so I'm gonna get both of those, and we're gonna get a lot of this buttoned up in the next couple hours. Take most of the water outside, Dan. Yeah, because it's gonna have way different nitrogen. Dan is draining the water out, so we're gonna put the fish in. We just got all the aquatic set in there for them. So it's a little murky, but give it a couple hours to clear up. Whole family affair. Everyone is now here to see it.
Ready? Yeah. Let me know when you're ready.
We are ready. Oh, look at go.
And you won't see them for a while.
Give it a couple hours after it clears up and you'll see them. So it is Thursday. Short week again because Monday was 4th of July. Almost tripping over stuff. We are moving around. Fish are in. Chilling out in the home. The aquatics are in. We have a couple more to go. A bunch of the plants are now in. Our landscape lighting wire is in. Feature behind us will be running later today. The spill urn is going to be done by me shortly. Guys are getting the front yard cleaned out. All the dirt, gravel, and concrete that everyone left in our way is going to be out. We're going to get this area back here planted and cleaned up. Going to have a good day. Plans is to try and get almost everything possible left here done so that when, fingers crossed, sprinkler guy and the deck guy are here, they can do what they need to do for us so we can finish up and move on to the next one. So got a lot of stuff done yesterday. I'm going to get my area cut in over there. Dan's getting camera set up. He's been filming as he finishes his part. Moving along. You know you got a good client when they offer you ice pops and Klondike Unicorn Dream cones. They've come out multiple times offering and giving the guys ice cream and the pops. We love our clients. We really love them. I mean, they're back there right now hanging out watching the fish as we're getting the front yard cleaned up. We love our jobs. Alrighty, so Friday afternoon, the mason just got out of our way. Part of the stoop that had to come out and the walkway are out. So now the guys are leveling out the space around it, getting some of our final plants in this area. And now they've got a big pile of concrete to take out. Not our responsibility, but a couple left the New Guinea patients. But we're gonna get this all smoothed up, cleaned out, and this area planted, and we'll be out of here.